Hi friends, now we'll see the next point, that is part B, that is contamination of control. Okay, first we'll see the introduction. The contamination of fluid affects the system operation and performance. The contamination in fluid power is a problem which is not prevented or controllable. It can be cause system to work much less effectively or over even causes complete failure of the system. Okay, then next, first point in that is the causes of contamination. In that, see, following causes are contamination. First, they will prevent in new system because insufficient clearance or clear component part, and because the contaminants generates during a manufacturing or assembly. Okay, the next point, the fluid used to fill or replenish a hydraulic system may be contamination, where particles are constantly being generated by an operating system. The contaminants are formed by chemical breakdown of the hydraulic and interaction between the some hydraulic fluids of water. Contaminants are generated whenever cavitation occurs in hydraulic system. Accidentally, the presence of water in the system may corrode steel pipe or other component. The result, rust particle can be fell off and enters compressed air system. Contamination, next one, the contamination are introduced when a system is opened and closed, servicing and maintained, or during the installation and replacement of component of part. Okay, then next point we can say that there is a contamination of control. The following ways are contamination of control: the plumb the system with pipes, tubing and fitting that are reasonable free from the rust, scale, dust and other foreign material or other foreign matter. Flush the entire hydraulic system, preferably with the same type of fluid to be used before normal system operation is beyond. Okay, the filter all hydraulic fluid before using to minimize introduce contamination into the system. Provide continuously filtration matching with contamination sensitivity of the system to remove product of wear and corrosion as well as sludge generated during operation. Provide contamination protection from airborne contamination by sealing the hydraulic system or installing an inter or air filter on unpressurized reservoir. Clean or replace filter element on a root line base or when a filter change shows the element need cleaning or replacement. The maintenance fluid velocity and pH level within fluid supplies recommendation. Okay, then next point is type of filter. Okay, in that there are the many types filter. The first A part, filtering element, that is surface filter and depth filter. In that, C, first point, surface filter. These are essentially screen which clean oil passes through their pores. The screen has very small thickness. Contaminates particles are collected on the upstream face of the screen. Okay, depth filter are the thick walled element. The separation capacity of these filters is higher than that of surface filter. That is shown in the figure as below. The dirt holding capacity of surface filter and depth filter of a various particle size. The filter are sometimes classified as flow filter or bypass filter. Okay, full flow filter indicates that In this filter, the entire flow or entire flow rate of oil through the part of the circuit is passed through the filter. The filter size is selected as accumulated full flow rate. Okay, the next point, bypass filter. At the time the entire flow of the fluid does not require filter. Okay, in that case only the part of oil is route through a filter, which the remaining passing without filter through the passage. By bypass filter, see the advantages. The filtration does not depend upon the status of the system, whether in operation or shutdown. The filter element replaces it possible without the shutdown of the system. Less down time of the system, cheaper filter element, maintenance life, greater capacity of dirt retention of an account of the flow and steady flow rate. Okay, the next one is the magnetic separator. These are used to separate large ferrous particles. This consists the magnetic plates fitted into the fluid reservoir or magnetic plugs hose in the filter body. Only ferromagnetic particles above the slight size can be separated by using the method. Electrostatic filtration. Fluid gets contaminated by static electricity, but the principle is used for oil purification. Two electrodes are immersed into the oil and electricity current is passed across the electrodes through the fluid. The particulate in a fluid gets electrically charged and attach themselves on a collection of plate placed between the electrodes. The particles of the size up to 0.05 microns can be separated by this method. The main drawback of this method is possibility of removal of additive from the oil. Thank you for watching this video.